So, I found out within the past month that I have something called aphantasia, and it sounds like a Disney princess or something, but basically it's where you can't picture things in your mind. And so whenever I would hear someone like imagining something or like seeing like the mind's eye, I thought that was metaphoric. I didn't think that was a real thing, but I found out within the past month that it is a real thing and people can see things in their mind. Most people can, and I'm really jealous of all of you who can, because I can't. I know it's there and I know what it looks like, and I'm familiar with things that I've seen before and I can describe them, but I can't picture them in my head. It's all black. So I was also reading through, since I've been home and had these things at my disposal, I've been reading through some stuff I had from graduation, letters I'd written myself or letters other people had written me, and I was realizing that I'm really jealous of the faith I had in high school. It was really just kind of happy-go-lucky, kind of like, yeah, this makes sense, let's go with this. And I think I'm more developed and I think I'm a better Christian now, but I am still jealous of how I was in high school, how I approached things. Now when I'm looking at the state of the world and things that are going on, I'm kind of skeptical about like why it's all happening or why the suffering is a thing that's even in existence, and it's been answered in part by a lot of scholars in theology, but there's never a definite answer to it. And I'm gonna kind of tie it in with the aphantasia thing. It's just I can't picture it. I don't see the whole image. I can't tell you what a red star looks like in my mind because it's not there. I'm in the dark on all of it. But I am familiar with the stuff I've seen before, and I am familiar with what it looks like in the past, and the stuff that I have seen, I just kind of latch on to that and hope that I'm remembering it right. So I just want that to be kind of a metaphor for how we approach things that are happening as we're alone and as we're forgetting or almost forgetting what it was like before all of this. Just remember that it is possible to see things in your head even when you don't actually see them, and it's possible to enjoy things and to have creativity and spontaneity and just be willing to dive into those things even if you don't physically see them or mentally see them. So yeah, just let that fill your upcoming week. I don't have a scripture for you that goes along with this, but just kind of a thing that I was experiencing, and I hope it helps you out this week.